job.
Here's a present to put under the tree.
You doing a video?
You mean in the sky?
Joy in the sky with the snowflakes.
Yay!
Yay!
Good job, buddy!
Oh yeah, Rocky. Rocky likes it too. Don't you? Come on. Woof woof.
Woof, woof.
Woof woof. Here's another present. There you go.
Alright.
Yay!
Alright. So you gotta get the... Gotta
There's
get
a ribbon to put on the present. Yay! There we go. Here's another ribbon. Uh-oh. Grandma broke that one.
the... Grandma.
There you go.
You put it on, Jace? Alright.
Yay!
Good spot, buddy.
Oh, here's a star.
Just put it on that one above it.
Gotta push it out. Uh-oh. There you go. Try again.
Huh?
No?
That's where it goes? Okay.
There. Yay! Yay! Alright, here's another ribbon for a present. There you go. Yeah.
Oh.
Put it on, Jace.
Put it on the window. Yay!
Good job, buddy.
Oh, whoa, there's another present.
Job.
There we go. Yay!
Apparently the presents were there, huh?
Yeah, one more bow for the present. There we go.
Alright, Jace.
Yay! Yep, that's it. We can do
We
Santa
could take
Claus.
some off and put it back on.
All done. That's true. That's his favorite thing.
Oh, there's a Santa Claus one here.
You want to do another one? We got Santa Claus to go with the Christmas tree.
Oh, this is going to come out great.
Yeah, this is going to look fantastic.
There we go. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Santa Claus. It's coming off in pieces. That's okay. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Here's Santa's eyes. All right. Yay. Yeah, that wasn't right, huh? That wasn't right. Yay! There you go. Here's Santa's head.